Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video, a short hairstyles to go to the store, out in public. You know, it doesn't really matter anywhere. I know I look tired, I just woke up, but I'm gonna get on my grind. Something told me to get on my grind, so I'm gonna start doing hair videos like I said I was. As you see, the blur is in the back. I'm gonna start filming with this, and yeah, let's get to it. You see my hair is combed out right now, and I'm definitely not supposed to be using my mom's comb, but I'm using it for y'all. So we finna get to it. Start the intro. Wait, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. Let me get closer. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. So let's do that right now. 5. Woo. Okay, so let's get started. This is based off any ideas, so yeah. If you in the trap, you can get out the trap. First idea is the pulling this. Alright. Pulling this back, the up part like this. And I know this could be for females or male. If you got like, I should put medium hair. I don't know if it's like that long, or I think it's medium hair. You can usually use it like that. And then comb the back like that. There you go. And usually I do it like that. And if you want to look like you have longer hair, it does, because you fluff this out in the back and it makes it longer in the back. So you can do that too. And yeah, that's one of them. Yeah, tell me what you think about that one. I go out like, hey, so after that one, after you take that out, you can do the same thing, but then put the bottom in a ponytail. You do the same thing. Yeah, you probably already seen me wear that in my last video, so you can go check that out. I did that there, and yeah, that's one of them too. The other one is with my headband and the whole thing in a ponytail, but I'll show you. I just put it in the ponytail for you. Make sure it's combed back. It's kind of basically already combed. Gold cap. But put this in a ponytail. Rock a nice designer headband. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'll put it around a couple times. There you go. Like that. You know what I'm saying? Go around like that. You should be straight. Nobody should look at you differently. You know what I'm saying? But who can? Now the other one is obviously the easiest one. I usually just take it out of ponytail like that. And you can rock it like this. You can rock it in the front like this. This is when you start getting your hair longer than this. You know what I'm saying? But or you could, what I like to do is comb it to the side. I think I probably showed you that one time. But you know what I'm saying? You can rock it. Shoot, you right like that here. You know what I'm saying? You can rock it all over like that. And go out like this. Sometimes I do that, but I ain't gonna cap. Sometimes I don't do that, only because people be saying, oh ma'am, oh sir. So yeah, that's why I don't always do this. But it's kind of like, who cares with people's videos? Obviously, for people who don't care, especially for males, if what they look like when they go out in public. But if you care, then why are you doing it? You know what I'm saying? So these are one of the hairstyles I do. Or sometimes I put it to the front. I put it to the front, like, you know what I'm saying? So like, I don't gotta show my face. It's called the hide and seek. You hear me? It's called the hide and seek. I got a notification. Hold up. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you. It's called the hide and seek. You know what I'm saying? I got all this hair that's just shredding, cuz I'm shredding. But like, you put it in front of you like this, go out. Well, I ain't finished it yet. Oh, it's hot. But yeah, I go out like this, you know what I'm saying? So if I don't know you, you know what I'm saying, I just be like, nah, cuz, you know what I'm saying? These are my joints, you know what I'm saying? I do that too. Like, if I don't know you, just cover your face. Then peek real quick. It's called the hide and seek, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, bro. Those really my hair to go. I wish I had this much hair in high school. Shoot, I would have been curved. It would have been like, huh? What you say? Oh, okay. But yeah, I would have been definitely doing that. For real, this is really my go-to. It don't have to be yours, but I mean, shoot, it's suggestions for people with like long hair. I know there's probably men got longer hair than me, but for me, I'm growing it out for a while. So yeah, I'm growing this out for like forever. I don't ever really want to cut it. So yeah, but yeah, these definitely. I'm looking crazy right now. I'm tripping. Yeah, but as you see, those are my to go. So yeah, that's really it. I want to show you the real how I really like go out like that. This probably the realest one on this channel, on this video. Tell me I'm wrong, cause you know everybody got it set up. You know the females got it set up, but for us males, man, I'm just going with the punches. You know what I'm saying? So that's really how I go out. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. Don't know how long this video was, but when I edit it, I will see. So yeah, y'all go ahead and do that, and subscribe to your boy. Comment too what you thought of these hairstyles too, and if I should do another one of these, like a realistic, and I'll show you different kinds. I definitely have a ton of more. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll get back to you in another video. Bye-bye.
tracks.